Welcome back. Dave Collier here. How's everybody doing? I don't know whether you can see all my animals out there in the distance, squirrels and doves and everything. Anyway, we had a company called Brewvana send us a number of different types of coffee, and you probably hear me quite often when we're carving our coffee scoops and stuff like that, talking about, well, I'm going to take a coffee break, and I'll see y'all in a few minutes. And anyway, let's take a look at little packets of coffee that we got from Brewvana. All the contact information and everything about that will be in the description. Love the packet, man. Nice and sturdy. Anyway, we have brown coffee. It's called Mexico. Brown coffee called Valley Blue Moon. Okay. Cowboy blend. Peru. We got 6-bean blend. And we got breakfast blend. Alright. Tell you what, the aroma is absolutely incredible. Alright. And we'll talk about this company. They're out of Colorado, and I think it's all where their sales support Colorado schools and stuff. And we'll have all that information in the description. But out of these blends that we mentioned, breakfast, 6-bean blend, Peru, cowboy blend, Valley Blue Moon, and Mexico. Help me choose which one you would like to see tested first. I tell you what, man, it's the aroma is incredible. It really is. This is really fantastic. Looking very much forward to getting there and testing this stuff and the coffee. All right, and we'll do a little bit more spoon or coffee scoop work today and stuff. But again, Brewvana, that's the name of the company, and this is bestseller sample pack. And like I said, this is just the introduction video. Brewvana will be featured in a number of videos while we take our coffee breaks. So, multi-series thing. And of course, we carve spoons every day and coffee scoops and everything else. And it's my genuine hope to showcase the amazing products that this company puts out.